Hey guys, look at the heap of clothes in Vishal's cupboard. He can hardly find anything to wear. His situation is complex and chaotic, just like this mathematical expression. If only he took some time out to fold his clothes and arrange them well by keeping the like ones together. That is, all the shirts in one section and all the trousers in another, his life could have been easier. Let's see if we can do that with this expression. Since the left-hand side of the expression is a product of two expressions, we'll multiply every term of the first expression with every term of the second expression and then simplify it. The resultant expression is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, which is a lot easier to handle, like Vishal's clothes would be had he arranged them neatly. And that's another important identity to remember. Is it too long to remember? Well, here are a few observations to help you memorize it. On the left-hand side, the first bracket contains the sum of the three terms or variables a, b and c. And what's highlighted in the second bracket is the sum of the squares of these variables. The final part of the second bracket is made up of the products of the two variables, one product at a time, and they all bear negative signs before them. Over to the right hand side now. This side of the equation is the sum of the cubes of the three variables minus 3 times the product of these variables. Now can you remember it? It's easy, isn't it? Now what if the sum of these terms was 0? If a plus b plus c was equal to 0, then the value of the left hand side of the equation would be 0 because anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Hence, we'll get a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equals 0. This means that a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals 3abc. In a nutshell, if the sum of three terms or numbers is 0, then the sum of their cubes will be 3 times their own product. This conditional relationship can help us a great deal with solving complex mathematical problems. Let's try one, shall we? We have to calculate the sum of the cubes of minus 52, 50 and 2. Now, wouldn't it be challenging to find the cubes of such large numbers? Is there another way? Well, let's begin by finding the sum of the three numbers. Minus 52 plus 50 plus 2 equals 0. And because the sum of the given terms is 0 and we have to calculate the sum of their cubes, we can apply the conditional relationship we just learned to solve this. Accordingly, minus 52 cube plus 50 cube plus 2 cube equals 3 times minus 52 times 50 times 2. Hence, the answer is minus 15,600. That was pretty simple, wasn't it? We didn't even have to calculate the numbers cubes. So, arrangement is important in mathematics and in life. Vishal, are you listening? Oh, it looks like he already arranged the clothes in his cupboard. Well, if you want to get better at something, whether it's solving mathematical problems or arranging your clothes, you must do it regularly. So keep practicing. See you next time.